Good morning and welcome to the E-class of St. Xavier's High School, Arun. Today we are going to study science of standard 8 and chapter number 1, that is crop production and its management, part 4. So children, we have studied that what is crop. Okay, crop is when we are considering as a crop when the same plant is grown on the same field and with a large number of area. Okay, so that then only it will be considered as a crop. Now for its production we have seen 7 to 8 steps. Okay, and in that we have seen the starting of the 2 steps, that is preparation of soil, then the second was of sowing. Now the third step is adding manure and fertilizers. So children, why we should or the farmers should add the manure and fertilizer? Because plants need nutrients. तो ही वो अच्छे से ग्रो कर पाएंगे. Okay, they need carbohydrates, they need fats, they need vitamins, they need minerals, they need proteins, they need everything. Okay, to make all these things. So what they need the manure and fertilizers who get rich in nutrients. Okay, ये सब क्या है? Rich है nutrients में. So ये क्या होगा? इसको rich करेंगे to the soil, and when it is added to the soil, and from the soil the plants take this nutrients which were present in the manure or the fertilizer for the good yield of production. Let us see the substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for healthy growth of plants are called manure and fertilizers. Now, what are the reasons to add fertilizer and manure? Soil supplies mineral nutrients to the crop plants. These nutrients are essential for the growth of plants. So children, what happens? These are nutrients which are very much essential. Okay, so they need these nutrients, and the nutrients कहाँ से मिलेंगे? उनको soil में से. अब what the farmers does, every time it grows the crops. Okay, again and again. तो क्या होगा? Soil में से जो natural nutrients थे, that will get finished. So because of that reason, we have to add fertilizer or manure. In certain areas, farmers grow crop after crop in the same field. So, continuous cultivation of crops makes the soil poor in nutrients. Therefore, farmers have to add manure to the fields to replenish the soil with nutrients. This process is called manuring. So, ये जो addition of manure है to the soil, that whole process is known as manuring. Improper or insufficient manuring results in weak plants. So, अच्छा growth नहीं होगा plants का, and then you will not be able to get the good crop production. Now, what is manure? अभी तो हमने बोल दिया we have to add manure, we have to add fertilizer. So let us see what is manure, what are the fertilizers. Okay, let us see. Manure. Manure is an inorganic substance. Okay, so ये जो सारे organic substances हैं, the organic substances are the ones who are having the natural nutrients. Okay, which get nutrients from the plants, dead material, animals, dead material. Okay, फिर उसको बहुत टाइम तक कंपोस्ट किया जाता है, डिकम्पोज किया जाता है, and then this whole thing gets converted into manure, and this is having a lot of amount of humus also. Okay, and it is rich in nutrients and it never damages the soil. Whereas fertilizers, it is a man-made production. Okay, and it also having lots of chemicals which is dangerous for the soil quality. Okay, वो क्या होता है? That it damages the soil. So that's why manure is a natural thing, and fertilizer is a man-made, which is dangerous for the soil. Okay, because it is damaging the soil, and then जो next production होने वाला होगा उसमें भी वो soil को weak कर चुका होगा, and thus it will not be able to give the good production. Now let us see what is manure. Manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plants or animal waste. Farmers dump plant and animal waste in pits. खड्डे होते हैं ना, in pits they add open places and allow it to decompose. The decomposition is caused by some microorganisms. The decomposed matter is used as an organic manure. Now, what are the uses of manure? Let us see. It improves the soil texture. Okay, texture मतलब उसका appearance, the soil color. It improves water retaining capacity. जो water capacity उसको the soil is having, okay, to retain that water capacity that get increased by using manure. Whereas using as fertilizer, it will be very dangerous, okay, and it will spoiling the soil and the water holding capacity will also not be good. It replenishes the soil with the nutrients. Now, manure we have seen what are its uses. Now let us see what are the fertilizers. Fertilizers are chemicals which are rich in a particular nutrient. Fertilizers are produced in factories. Some examples of fertilizers are urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, potash, NPK that is nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. N for nitrogen, P for phosphorus. अभी दो P वाले हो गए. So the name, the symbol of the potassium is K. Okay, not P. P for phosphorus and K for potassium. Now, uses of fertilizers. Let us see. Fertilizers help farmers to get better yield of crops such as wheat, paddy and maize. Production अच्छा हो जाता है first time or second time, but after that it weakens the soil. That's why the soil gets damaged. Now let us see the disadvantages of using fertilizer. But excessive use of fertilizer has made the soil less fertile. Fertilizers have also become a source of water pollution. So ये क्या कर रहे हैं? They are also polluting the water. Now we have seen about the manure. We have seen about the fertilizer. Now what is crop rotation? Why we should grow not only wheat? हमेशा हमें एक ही क्रॉप एक ही फील्ड में अगेन एंड अगेन वीट ही ग्रो नहीं करना चाहिए बिकॉज द न्यूट्रिएंट्स व्हिच दे नीड ओके दे विल गेट फिनिश्ड सो if we will grow another crop then the other nutrients that crop will need. So what will happen? The replenished time will also be we will get to the soil. And in this way, different kinds of crops will also be grown and it will be easy and good yield will come. Let us see. Crop rotation can be done by growing different crops alternatively. Okay. And what these farmers do, they grow leguminous plants. Why they grow these leguminous plants? For the nitrogen fixation. Earlier, farmers in northern India used to grow leguminous as fodder in one season and wheat in the next season. So, एक season में wheat and then as the wheat gets cut, okay, harvest हो जाएगा, then which crop they will grow? They will grow leguminous as fodder. Fodder is the one which is used to give to the animals for their food. This helps in the replenishment of the soil with nitrogen. ये leguminous plant क्या करते हैं? तो nitrogen जो atmosphere में it gets converted into the soil containing nitrogen because in these leguminous plants the bacteria that is rhizobium bacteria and other bacteria are in a plenty form. Okay, in the roots of these leguminous plants. Farmers are being encouraged to adopt this practice. Alternative practice is used nowadays. Now, natural method of fixing nitrogen in soil. The rhizobium bacteria. These are present in the nodules of roots of leguminous plants. So plants के जो roots हैं, किसके leguminous plants के, वहाँ कौन सा बैक्टीरिया प्रेजेंट है? Rhizobium bacteria, which converts the atmospheric nitrogen into the soil nitrogen. Okay, they fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. Now, advantages of manure. The organic manure is considered better than fertilizer. This is because it enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. Next advantage, second, it makes the soil porous. उससे क्या होगा? एयर का आना जाना, the aeration part would be more stronger. Porous due to which exchange of gases becomes easily. Third, it increases the number of friendly microbes. Okay, इससे क्या होगा? That other microbes can enter into the soil and which can get more benefit for the other nutrients. It improves the texture of the soil. Now, children, this is very important table. Okay, it always comes in 4 to 5 marks. So, children, this year is very important and you have to do this. Fertilizers and manure. The difference: fertilizer is man-made inorganic soil, whereas manure is a natural substance obtained in the decomposition of cattle dung and plant residues. Second, fertilizer is prepared at factories. Second, manure cannot be prepared in the factories. It is prepared in the fields. Third, fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil. Manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. Fertilizer are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, whereas manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrients. So this was all about the fertilizer and manure differences. So children, your home assignment is you have to write a difference between the fertilizer and manure. ये जो आपकी टेक्स्ट में टेबल दिया गया है, this table you have to write it in your notebook, and this is also one answer in your textbook exercise. So you have to write this answer in your science notebook. So children, this was all about today's video. So today we have done about why we should add manure and fertilizers. What are the importances of the fertilizers and manure, and what are the differences between them, and why the crop rotation is most important, and which bacteria is useful for the nitrogen fixation, that is the Rhizobium bacteria. This was all about today's video. Thank you and